Hello everyone. Today, we are going to show you how to open a Shindengen Engine Control Module (ECM) for home-based technical work. This process is essential when you need to perform tasks such as resetting the ECM ID or remapping the unit. Specifically, I have here an ECM from a 2018 to 2019 Honda Vario Smart Key version. Our goal today is to open this ECM for remapping. To do this, I'll be using a paint stripper. This chemical is highly corrosive and works very quickly. I have prepared a cup of the solution right here. To speed up the removal of the protective potting compound, you can use a grinder. We will grind down the casing by about 2 mm. After that, we'll apply the paint stripper to dissolve the internal coating. The first and most critical step is to accurately identify the area we need to open. The location depends entirely on the task. If you want to reset the ECM ID, you open one specific area. If you want to remap, the location is different. Since I intend to remap this unit, I need to find the correct coordinates. To do this, we'll use the Almodo software. Go to the lookup section. Select AutoShop. Choose the Vario model. Look at the diagram on the screen to confirm the position before you start grinding. I've already marked my spot. I'll draw a center line and grind along this groove. Once you've reached a sufficient depth, about 1.5 mm to 2 mm is the sweet spot. Use a brush to clear away the dust. Now, we apply the paint stripper onto the surface. Please be extremely careful. Avoid any direct skin contact with this solution as it is very caustic. To accelerate the corrosion process, you can leave it out in the sun. If you are working indoors, you can use an incandescent lamp like this one. I'll use the lamp to apply heat to the paint stripper, which makes it react much faster. After waiting about 5 minutes, you can see the solution is boiling and bubbling up. At this point, turn off the lamp and clean the surface. As you can see, after just one application, the internal circuit board is clearly visible. We can now easily see the solder points needed to connect our pins. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. See you in the next video.